Today we have two wonderful children who I knew as kids. They've grown up and they've been a part of our Kannada fellowship. And all of a sudden, a couple of weeks back, they said, Pastor, we were praying and we have made Bethel our church. Very beautiful couple, very anointed children of God. Both their dads and moms are pastoring and glorifying God. I know their families. I know, where they come from. I know, so they will be coming. And Loyal will be coming up and giving us a special song. And as they get prepared for the song, we will have a video. Is the video there?
All heavens declare the glory of the risen Lord. Who can compare with the beauty of the Lord? Forever He will be, the Lamb upon the throne. I gladly bow my knees and worship You alone.
Surely see us alive.
Aradankerta. Forever He will be the Lamb upon the throne. I gladly bow my knees and worship you, Lord.
Praise God.